Hi there, I'm Steve with Mobile Ed Productions here with the STEAM Museum and another display your students can learn a lot from featuring programming.
This is similar to the robots the astronauts sent to the moon and the Curiosity robot currently exploring the surface of the planet Mars. It might look like a remote-controlled car, but you actually have to program it step by step to get it to move. But don't worry, it's very easy to learn how to program this robot. The first command you give it is the first thing it will do, and the last command you give it will be the last thing it will do. This is what we call linear programming. If you have never programmed anything before, or if you have never used a robot before, this is a great place to start.